What do Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, and Jeff Bezos have in common? They weren't just buying pieces of paper on Wall Street, they were buying into businesses. They understood the companies they invested in, inside and out. And one book taught this better than any other. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. This book is the OG guide to finding those hidden gems, those companies with the potential to 10x, 20x, even 100x your money. Want to find the next Apple, the next Tesla, the next Amazon? This book is the blueprint. Check the link in the description to get your copy. Let's break it down with real-world examples you can actually use. Look, everyone talks about finding cheap stocks, but the real secret, it's not about finding a deal. It's about finding a rocket ship about to blast off. Forget cheap look for future growth. Think about Amazon back in 2005. They weren't profitable, they were losing money hand over fist. But Fisher would have seen right through that. He would have seen the e-commerce revolution that was about to happen. He would have seen Amazon becoming the everything store. That's what we're looking for, companies on the verge of completely changing the game. Don't get caught up in the day-to-day noise of the market. Zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. What industries are about to explode? What companies are leading the charge? Those are the million-dollar questions. In the business world, standing still is the same as going backward. If a company isn't constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries, it's only a matter of time before it gets left in the dust. This is where R&D comes in, research and development. This is where the magic happens. Look at Google. They pour billions, with a B, into things like AI, quantum computing, driverless cars. They're not just thinking about the next few quarters, they're thinking about the next decade. That's long-term thinking. That's how you build a company that dominates for years, even decades to come. So, when you're looking at a company, ask yourself, are they complacent, or are they hungry? Are they satisfied with the status quo, or are they constantly pushing the envelope, trying to create the next big thing? You can have the greatest product in the world, but if you can't sell it, it's worthless. You need a sales force that's just as good as your product, if not better. Think about Apple. They don't just make great tech, they market it like magic. They create an experience, a feeling around their products. They make you want to be a part of their ecosystem. That's the power of a strong sales force. Look at companies like Salesforce. Their entire business model is built around having the best salespeople in the world. And it works. When you're researching a company, don't just look at their products, look at their people. Look at their sales team. Are they passionate? Are they knowledgeable? Are they closing deals left and right? Because a company without sales is like a car without an engine, it's going nowhere. Profit margins. This is where the rubber meets the road. This is how you measure a company's true earning power. You want to see high profit margins, and not just high, but growing. Why? Because growing profit margins mean the company has pricing power. It means they can charge a premium for their products or services. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Look at companies like Meta, formerly known as Facebook. They have some of the best ad margins in history. Why? Because they control a massive audience and advertisers will pay top dollar to reach them. That's the power of a wide moat and thick margins. When you're analyzing a company, don't just look at their revenue, look at their profitability, look at their margins. Are they expanding? Are they sustainable? Because at the end of the day, profit is king. A company is only as good as its leaders. You want a management team that's competent, experienced, and ethical. You want leaders who have a clear vision for the future and a proven track record of success. Think about it. Would you trust your money with Elon Musk or the CEO of a failing bank? It's a no-brainer. Look for CEOs who are passionate about their companies, who are aligned with shareholder interests, and who have a history of making smart decisions. Read their shareholder letters, watch their interviews, look at their past performance. Because a company with weak leadership is like a ship without a captain. It's destined to run aground. This one might surprise you, but Philip Fisher was way ahead of his time. He understood that a company's culture is one of its most valuable assets. He believed that if you treat your employees well, if you create a positive and supportive work environment, it will show in the quality of your products and services. Look at companies like Google and Salesforce. They consistently rank among the best places to work in the world. And guess what? They also happen to be two of the most innovative and successful companies on the planet. Coincidence? I think not. When you're researching a company, look at how they treat their employees. Look at their Glassdoor reviews, their employee turnover rates, their commitment to diversity and inclusion. Because a company that values its employees is a company that values its future. If this video helped you think differently about investing, hit that like button. It helps me reach more people just like you. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite long-term stock? Leave a comment below and let me know why you believe in that company. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. We're on a mission to build real, lasting wealth, and I'm here to give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Gap 3S. If this video helped you think differently about investing, hit that like button. It helps me reach more people just like you. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite long-term stock? Leave a comment below and let me know why you believe in that company. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. We're on a mission to build real, lasting wealth, and I'm here to give you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Gap 1S. And if you love reading game-changing books, we have an unbeatable deal just for you. Get 4 life-changing books for just $4. Switch to high-energy visuals of book covers and famous authors like Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, and Joseph Murphy. How to win friends and influence people. Build lasting connections. The power of your subconscious mind. Unlock limitless potential. The richest man in Babylon. Master timeless wealth-building principles. Think and grow rich. The ultimate blueprint for success. For just $4, you get the wisdom of legends. Don't miss out. Show limited time offer flashing on screen. Don't wait. Click the links in the description. Grab your 4-book bundle for just $4 before the deal expires. Show countdown timer effect and final CTA screen with Start Now button.